Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric with Advanced Level Automotive. Wanted to make a real quick video about this guy over here. This is the Harbor Freight 3-ton Super Duty Daytona jack. I've got a lot of people asking me questions about this jack. I've owned it for a year now, and all I gotta say is, wow. I mean, it is a good jack, especially for the price. I think I bought this thing, it was under $200, and I had a 20% coupon that I used. Anyway, so it's been a year now since I've owned this, and we use it pretty much every day. I mean, you can see from the rubber padding here that it's actually, you know, kind of torn up because we've used the hell out of this jack. So this thing's been used and abused every day. On top of that, these casters have held up really well. Haven't had any problems with these casters. The jack rolls just fine. Even over rough concrete areas. We do a lot of work both inside and outside of the shop. So we roll this thing across some pretty gritty concrete and still haven't had any problems with these casters. Also, the pistons have held up really well. I haven't had any problems with them leaking or losing pressure. The jack holds pressure really well, and I think that says a lot about this floor jack. We're gonna be doing a fuel pump on this 2012 Ford F350. Let me open this up here. If you look right here, the GVW on this thing is 13,300 pounds. It is a flatbed, by the way. So this thing's got a dually axle on it. And let's put it to the test. So if you can see, I got the jack underneath this dually axle right now. I'm gonna try to get a shot of there. So I just started jacking it up, so I'm gonna continue pumping this thing up. And I just want to get the wheels a few inches off the ground. See if I can get a good shot of the wheels there. There's the wheels. And I'm just pumping this jack up because I want to get a couple jack stands up underneath these wheels here. So if you can see, that's what I'm looking at there. I got about 6 inches off the ground, and this jack is holding up just fine. As you can see, I've got the jack holding up the rear axle, and I've got these two jack stands. They're 6-ton Harbor Freight jack stands. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this video useful. Hopefully I was able to help you make your decision if you were on the fence about buying this jack. I know I was on the fence about buying it. I also was looking at buying a snap-on floor jack from the snap-on truck, but after owning this jack for a year, I'm really glad that I went and bought the Daytona instead. In my opinion, I really think that this jack is up to par with the snap-on one. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, please like. If you enjoy the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can always comment down below. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.